Yeah, ito na nga. Kukunin na natin. Lalagay muna natin iba natin sangkap, oh.
Yeah.
Hello ka pa.
Happy good news from Germany.
So, ready na yung ating nilagang baka. Kanina pa inaantay ni Ella to. Tara, serve na natin. Ayan na. Kanina pa inaantay to ni Ella.
Okay.
Enjoy, okay?
Thank you. You too. Enjoy
Yeah.
it with the children. The rockets you will probably not see because they're going over the roof. And
Ayun, mainit na yung ating tubig. Kumukulo na talaga. So, sisimulan na natin pagluto ng ating nilagang baka. Uunahin natin yung ating peppercorn. At saka yung ating sibuyas. Yan. Tapos niyan, isusunod na natin itong ating beef. Na hiniwa na natin ng malalaking cubes. Yan. Makikita nyo guys, nagbago yung temperature niya nung nilagay natin yung beef. Medyo bumaba yung heat niya. So, aantay lang natin kumulo ulit ito. Tapos natin takpan. So ngayon kumukulo na siya. Ngayon naman tatanggalin natin itong mga remaining residues na nanggaling sa karne ng baka para mas malinis yung ating sabaw. Yan. Tapos naman bago natin takpan ay ilagay na natin itong ating beef cubes. Optional lang ito guys. Kung gusto nyo naman magdagdag or hindi, pwede naman. Ngayon naman tatakpan natin ito. So ayun mga pre, habang inaantay natin itong pakuluan naman siguro 1 to 2 hours, ay gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa inyo ng maraming salamat dahil hindi nyo kami iniwan simula nung 2022 nung in-start namin yung aming munting vlog hanggang ngayon na 2026 na. And thank you Lord pala kasi umabot kami ng 2026 itong ating channel. Sa mga matatagal na naming supporters at sa mga bago pa lang, maraming salamat sa inyo. And thank you din po sa mga nag-pray na sa past recovery ni Ella at saka ni Timmy and ako na rin sa aming sipon-sipon tsaka lagnan. So ngayon, nagluto ako ng sabaw para mas mainitan kami dito kasi nga talagang nanibago kami sa lamig ngayon. Napakalamig talaga mga pre. Kaya nung New Year guys, hindi na rin kami nakagawa ng video. Gawa nga ng masama yung pakaramdam ni Ella. So masino na namin siya, nalagaan na namin siya. And ayun, nanood lang kami ng fireworks sa bintana sa taas. And si Ella nga ay hindi niya gusto talaga yung fireworks. Si Timmy lang ang may gusto sa fireworks. Ngayon naman ay mag-aantay lang tayo siguro ng 1 to 2 hours guys para lumambot yung ating baka. Yung the rest na ingredients naman natin guys ay mamaya na natin ilalagay katulad nitong ating repolyo, and then yung ating Chinese cabbage, patatas, syempre yung kanilang rice, and itong corn, syempre hindi mawawala ito. And yung ating pati, so ito yung magpapaalat sa atin mamaya. So mamaya ilalagay din natin. And meron din tayo ditong coating garnish. Sakto sa malamig na panahon. Thank you, Lord. What is it? Oh, is it heart? Yeah, nagupit niya na sa ako. Ang galing. Yeah. Ito na si Timmy natin, guys. Oh, pagaling na yan. Di ba, Timmy? Salam. Oh, thank you, Lord. Bakit sinabit mo dyan? Nuben? Nuben, sipon pa si Timmy. Kleine. Singa? Oh, good. Ayan, may konting sipon na lang si Timmy, guys. Salamat kay Lord. Kaya kailangan niya ng pahinga. Hoy, kaninong banana to?
Papa, nuli.
Gusto niya daw gawing smoothie, guys. Ay, talaga. Mamaya na. Okay, busy pa si Papa eh. Yeah. I love you.
Bye-bye. Love you.
Sinindihan nga pala ni Papa yung kamin oven kung tawagin sa German, guys. Ito yung nagpapainit ito sa buong room. So, mas maganda kasi pag merong ganito, mas nag-i-enjoy yung mga bata. Yan ang sinasabi ko, guys. Yan, may snow na ulit. Ayan. Sigurado bukas meron na tong snow dito sa ating garden. May enjoy nila Ella. Pag okay na si Timmy. Ngayon, si Ella pa lang yung okay. Si Timmy ipa-recover pa lang. Pero sana makatulong mamaya yung niluluto nating beef nilaga. So tara, balikan natin yung ating pinapalambot na baka. Baka malambot na. Yan, dito lang. Tanda, nainit yung soup mo.
Not much to see yet.
Siya lang. But this, oh. Your favorite.
Oh, and that's Jimmy's favorite.
Yeah.
So, shall I take the guy from you so I can...
Oh, it's okay. It's very warm here. It's really
okay.
good.
And you're
You are-
enjoying the time with your son?
Of course. Okay, after 1.5 hour guys, tingnan natin. Ayun. Okay, tuyuan na siya, konti. Check natin kung malambot na. Pasok na sa ating metro. Ayan. Medyo kulang pa. So, dagdagan pa natin siguro ng mga kalating oras. Ayan. Tapos, dagdagan natin ng sabaw ulit para hindi siya matuyuan ng tuluyan. Tapos takpan natin ulit. Tayo natin ulit kumulo. Tapos balikan natin after 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, check natin ulit. Ayan siya. Kuha tayo ulit ng laman. Ayan. Konting-konti pa. Konting-konti na lang. Pero bago yan, ilagay na natin yung ating corn. Ayan. Mag-a-add na yan ng additional na flavor din sa ating sabaw. Yun. Mix na natin konti. Tapos pwede na rin natin timplahan ng ating patis. So hindi talaga tayo naglagay ng asin kasi ito yung magpapaalat sa atin. Para mag-add ng flavor niya guys. Konti na muna yung nilagay natin para at least mamaya makontrol natin. Ngayon naman, takpan natin ulit. Wait natin ulit mga additional 30 minutes. Ito na, bubuksan na ni Papa. Wala pa nga. Andiyan yung corn sa loob. Kleine soup. Yeah? Oh, gusto na tikman ni Ella agad guys. So, ayan na yung ating corn. Yeah, I will get teaspoon. Saglit lang. Mainit yan, dada lang. Huwag mo hawakan, mainit, okay? Konti lang. Yeah? Oh. What is this one? Okay? Oh, kleine. Yan. Okay. Ah, there. Kleine. It's okay. Gusto mo? Gusto na ni Ella kumain. Sarap na?
Of course, yes.
Oo, konti na lang. Yeah, ito na nga. Kukunin na natin. Lalagay muna natin iba natin sangkap. Saglit lang, okay? Yeah. Yeah, we'll make it. O, tulungan mo ako, ha? O, sige, lagay na natin yung patatas. Was ist patatas in Deutsch? Kartoffel. Ayan. Potato in English. Right? Takpan na natin, Ella. Kailangan na natin takpan ito. Pakuluin muna natin, tapos may kakain na tayo. Buksan natin ulit, guys. Kahit naman si Ella. Okay na to, tingin ko. Pwede na natin isunod yung ating mga repolyo. Gutom ka na talaga, no? Kunti lang, ha? Gusto na naman tikman ni Ella, guys. Ayan na naman siya. Oh, ihip-ihip, ha? Oh. Okay. Okay. Sarap? Okay, lalagyan na natin yung ating ibang ingredients. Hindi na makapag-antay si Ella, guys. Lagyan na natin yung ating repolyo. Ayan. Ayan, sakto. Makukulo na. Oh, sige. Gusto mo kang tikman. Pero ihipan mo muna bago mo tikman, ha? Oh, ihip-ihip. Ayan. Okay. Good job, Ella. Hoop. Okay? Ayan pa, meron pa.
Masarap.
Oh, masarap. Salamat. Thank you. Nakataba naman ang puso yan, Ella. Takpan lang natin, Ella, okay? Wait lang natin to ng mga 1 minuto tapos ilagay natin yung ating Chinese cabbage. Kasi,
About this thing.
yeah, mamaya, saglit lang. Kasi ito, mas madali itong maluto kaysa doon sa ating cabbage repolyo. Opo! Hindi na makaantay. Okay, after 1 minute. Okay na siya. Hakot na. Saka natin ilalagay ito, Ella. Ito, this one. Okay. Lagyan natin dun sa taas. Para mas Grabe yung ating nilagang baka. Punong-puno ng gulay, di ba? Mas masarap, overload. So, okay. Ayan, last na yan. So, wait lang natin ulit mga 1 minute, okay? Peace bump. Ella is already complaining.
Yeah.
Hello, Papa.
Happy good news from Germany.
Ay, Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. Want to check?
Yes.
Yeah. There. Overload also.
Masarap.
You go to Mama. I will prepare on it. Okay?
Yay,
Ayan na, pwede na,
thank
pwede
you.
na.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Can I help you somehow?
The table is already fine and it's okay. No
Okay.
problem. Enjoy. Just relax. Okay? I love you too. Transfer na natin. Yan. Yung ba yung bango niya pag may mais, no? Talagang mas kompleto. So, ready na yung ating nilagang baka. Kanina pa inaantay ni Ella to. Tara, serve na natin.
Can cool down. Mama and Papa will not eat tonight because they are going out to celebrate New Year's. They go to a restaurant and we will enjoy Archie's restaurant here. And there's Archie's
Ay, Timmy!
coming. Oh,
Timmy,
masarap.
baka! Can you move this
Of
one little
course,
bit?
I can move this one.
Ayan na. Kanina pa inaantay ito ni Ella. That's why, si
Yes,
Timmy
it's-
din. Oh, that's Timmy. Thank you, Ate Ella. That is fish sauce. Bagay na bagay ito sa nilagang baka, guys. Pero sa akin lang to. This one is for you. Yeah, we need to pray first. Okay? Mama.
How about you? You will also eat with us as well?
I will eat. That's okay. I will go here. Side. Yeah, here. Nakalimutan ko yung serving spoon. Mami. Ayan. Mama and Papa, enjoy your food there, ha?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Thank you. We will.
And leave left over for us.
Yes.
Of course.
Ja, das mache ich. Und du erzählst mir, was du gegessen hast.
Siehst du noch direkt? Das soll ich jetzt.
Yes.
Nee, ich sag's dir nicht.
Was? You fill my cup
Okay,
up?
we fill my cup. Frank, okay?
Okay.
Timmy, Ella? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. You
Fill
fill my
my
cup.
cup up and let it overflow. You fill my cup up and let it overflow. You fill my cup
Up,
and let it overflow.
flow.
Let it overflow with love.
Papasingin also. Okay!
Okay.
Swirlish!
Ready?
Ano, It's okay. Foolish Silas, Abend, Essen, guten Appetit.
You're right.
Say, Jesus. Sabi ko sa'yo, tama ka mag-say. Ito na. Salamat sa Diyos. Serve na natin sila, guys. Sabaw, Ella, okay? I will put sabaw for you. This one. Wow. Yeah, it's up sabaw. Here. Wow, minute.
This one to me, so I'll take this one for Timmy.
This one is for Timmy. Okay, mas mababa. And then mais. Mais for Timmy. Yeah, danke schön.
Mais and
Mais. Sabaw, of course.
Ja, ist noch
Ja.
ein bisschen heiß. Moment.
Kartoffel, Timmy. And Ella.
Lecker.
Yeah, mainit. Ihip-ihip. Kailangan ihip-ihip, ha? Ayan. Huwag ano. Mama. Mama, for you also.
Yes.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you.
Yeah, tanggal ang mga sipon-sipon natin ito. You have sipon also, asawa ko?
Me, no.
Oh, you have a very nice stamina here, ha?
Yeah.
Kartoffel.
Oh, yes, please.
No kartoffel, no power. Ayan, okay.
And I will
What is
also
it?
take this one now.
Asa, the big one. Oh.
Thank you.
I will ihip-ihip, Ella. Okay, kailangan na ng ihip-ihip na Ella.
Yes, cool.
Ito yung palagi meron kami dito, guys. So, maliit na tissue para pag sakaling sising, meron tayo nito. Ayan. Tissue here, okay? Singa? Okay, good. Okay, fight! Let's go eat!
Let's eat.
Eh, dalawa na yan ang apron mo. Ay, I will put more sabaw to your sabaw ko. There's a lot of sabaw there actually. Ayan, sabaw. Okay. Just good Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Was ist schon Mama
Thank you, thank
mit
you.
Mais?
Mhm.
Oh, Chili will dir zeigen.
Was er mit dem Mais macht. She wants to
With
show
the
you what
mais?
she's doing with the mais.
Oh my goodness.
Was? Auspusten oder so.
Oder ein Weihnachtsmann. Und
Tayo rin kailangan natin ng sabaw guys kasi nga may sipon din
nicht
tayo.
beides zusammen, Jimmy. Erst nur den Weihnachtsmann. Morgen. Du magst ja nicht.
He's sneaking, ha?
Ich habe dir schon mal die ersten Raketenstücke
Yan.
gelegt.
Hi.
Yeah, mainit.
Oi, kom sa atin.
Masarap, Ella? You like it?
Very, very masarap.
Thank you. Ito yung mas masarap, Aniko. The patis, you try this one, right? Mga ganun jealous rin. Yeah, this one. But Mama and Papa will also go have a date outside, dinner date. Cheers! Ciao, Kakao. Enjoy!
Kom auf wieder.
Sarap ng tulog ni Baby Adam, guys. Meron nga pala tayong patis dito. Perfect na ito. Partner ng ano.
Ein leckeres Fleisch.
Ayan, no? Tikaan natin.
Hi.
Like patis, asawa ko? With lemon? Kleine,
What do I
kleine.
do with it?
I just put this one is like, if it's not too salty, you can add.
Mit dem Fleisch.
Just try.
Like that?
Konti only, madami yan. Only few. Like this, yeah. Just like that, and then mix it. And then, second bite. First bite, guys. Kain tayo, ah.
Franken.
Oh my goodness. Salamat, Lord. Wow.
Das hier drin.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Okay, kinulang pala ng rice si Ella. Ito na, oh. Yan. Sabaw. More sabaw. Okay,
And
good.
this one.
And what? And then the meat? Okay, gusto pa naman. Ay, salamat. Bumalik na yung ano gana ni
And mehr.
Oso, no? Ang dami na.
Noch mehr mit.
Ito na. Ayan. You have meat there, oh, still? My goodness.
Oh, hier. Mama,
So, that is a peppercorn.
Und dann wir das ab. Das ist noch drin.
Das ist Fleisch, leckeres.
Das ist, glaube ich, ein bisschen warm.
Ja.
Ist nicht heiß. Warm.
The meat is very malambot. Very yummy.
Yeah. Perfect for the kids also, no? Kauwi nga lang pala ni Papa. From short vacation. Na? Kaya, pagbalik niya, nag-date sila agad ni Mama. Na-miss niya agad si Mama. So, hindi na sila nakapag-dinner dito. Plano na
Mama,
nila yun.
was?
Bago ako magluto nito.
Lecker.
Lecker.
Masarap, Timmy? Thank you, Lord. Timmy also, masarap. Nuben! Timmy, I love you, Timmy. Sabaw pa. Kuha ako ng sabaw, Nico, ha? Moment. Hinulang ang sabaw natin.
There's so much.
There's so much here.
Was machst du, Papa, denn?
Da holt noch mehr Soße. Mehr Suppe.
Welche Suppe?
Die wir gerade essen.
Mir werden die Augen aufgemacht.
There we go. Mehr sabaw.
Ganz
Okay.
viel Sabau.
Ganz viel Sabaw.
Pwede.
Eins,
thank you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ayan, o.
Am
Kanina medyo
Natin!
hindi na yung pakiramdam ni Timmy ngayon. Bumalik ang sigla niya. Salamat, Lord.
Franken.
Mama, das ist
Sabaw.
immer noch heiß.
Mhm.
Heiß.
Kanin, kanin. Konting
Dann
ulam.
muss ich erstmal warm machen.
Mhm.
Warm und warm.
Look,
Warm.
guys, the meat is very, very tender.
Da. Guck mal.
Adam wants to try.
Mama,
Yeah, Adam also.
guck mal. Mit Adam.
Adam's still sleeping. He said, Mom. Maybe he's eating in his dream. Mm. Wow.
Nein, nicht essen.
Okay, sorry. Anyway, guys, we wanted to say thank you very much for your support in 2025. Very happy and didn't
Mir auch
expect.
noch was holen.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot
What-
of core memories last
Yeah.
2025, no?
Birth of our son also.
Yeah, birth of our son, our new blessing
Yes.
in the family. Gutom na siya. Maybe Adam, gutom na ikaw?
Oh, I have to hurry. Ja, dann lass den Rest da mal. The children want to eat the dessert already.
Ja, das ist
the,
so
the
viel.
chocolate Christmas
Jetzt lass es einfach da.
Santa Claus, the chocolate Santa Claus that they
Santa Claus.
want to eat.
Mama, bin fertig.
Transfer niya sa bulitin.
Nuppen.
Open! Here! Kaawa ng Diyos, sana gumaling na kami lahat.
Mama,
Sipon.
da drüben ist meins.
Ja, gibt's gleich, ne? Warte, erstmal zu Ende essen. We first finish the food before there's dessert.
Okay.
Das ist das Schwarze, denn
Das ist ein Pfefferkorn. I'm very happy that they ate very nicely. It will help them to recover from their cold. And for me it's also
kein
nice.
Nips. Doch. Guck mal.
The children are very excited. I remember how we ate this one in Palawan. There are a lot of very nice memories from the Philippines, from Palawan. Also 2025, but also the years before.
Ist lecker.
And now this new year, we will make new memories in Germany and Europe. That will also be nice. I'm looking forward to that one. To show you Europe now. Then I know Palawan a little bit better. Oi. But now I will enjoy my food behind the camera, and then I need to change Archie also. So I will take Adam and you can eat Asongakon.
Guck mal hier.
And then after food, we will enjoy some fireworks. And then the children need to sleep also.
Nein, guck mal.
So guys, before we say goodbye, this is our leftovers from the New Year's Eve.
It's so cute.
So let's go.
Okay.
I will burn it because last New Year's Eve I was watching upstairs with the children, and now Archie will watch with the children, and I will burn it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. This one, itusukan mo. It's okay. I will go up.
Don't forget to kill the light upstairs.
Yeah.
later,
No problem.
so the children see nicely. Okay.
Enjoy, okay?
Thank you. You too. Enjoy
Yeah.
it with the children. The rockets you will probably not see because they're going over the roof and you cannot see them.
Gusto niya magpaputok, guys. Sa totoo lang. Okay, I'll go up with the children.
Yes.
Yeah.
See you
Bye-bye.
later. Bye-bye.
So tara, puntahan na natin yung mga bata, guys. Request kasi ni Timmy na si mama niya ngayon yung magpaputok. So, puntahan natin sila sa taas. Doon tayo manonood.
Warte.
Oh, dahan-dahan lang, ha?
Komm auch schon.
Okay, kailangan natin patayin yung ilaw.
Warte.
Yeah, ayan
Warte,
sila, guys.
Mami.
Okay, go!
Papa, come here.
Yeah, Papa here. Ayan si Mama. Woy! Doon sa taas! Woy! Uy! Ang maganda! Timmy! Da! Here! And how was it?
Very nice. Ella was afraid that I will burn, she said. But long time I didn't light any fireworks, so it was very nice.
Goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye. Thank you for watching.
Happy
See you
New
in
Year
our...
again.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jimmy wants more rockets and more fireworks. Next year, Jimmy, sorry. Have a very nice beginning of the new year. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you like and hit the bell button so you don't miss our newest video. See you in our
Bye-bye.
next video. Bye bye.